Yay, here we go.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a
Here we
severe
go.
thunderstorm warning for South Central Cumberland County in Central Virginia, East Central Prince Edward County in Central Virginia, Northwestern Nottoway County in South Central Virginia, Southwestern Amelia County in Central Virginia until 9:30 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located in West Oregon 7 miles east of Longwood University, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Burkeville around 9:15 p.m. Crew and Jetersville around 9:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Moran, Jennings, Ordinary, Stoddard, and Deatonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at Wakefield. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued